Hello guys, welcome to our blog. Me and my friend Sandeep Singh Sekhon is at our fields and we are harvesting sorghum for our cattle. You can look here, there is lots of mud due to rain and due to excess of water. We are suffering very much and he is laughing at me because he is totally free. He has not any work to do. So you can you can see that this is sickle guys, with which we have to cut it and we have to load this one for our cattle, and after that we feed our cattle with this and get lots of milk, and after that we sell it to the market in a huge amount, and huge amount is ₹70 only. So he is saying that our village friends or people will abuse us for this kind of vlog, but we don't care of anything. So we want to say that never care for the people, because people can only talk about us on back, not on front. Even they can talk on front also, but we don't care about this. So I want to ask some question. Hello Sekhon, what do you want to say? he don't know English, so I also don't know English, but I know small, very small English. Tutti Paji, like broken English. So you have heard about spoken English, but we people often speak broken English because we don't know about each and everything, but we know some specific things like this is sickle, this is sorghum, and this is water, tractor, etc. We know small amount of things. Vocabulary I don't know, so I will apologize for this that we don't know proper English, but we will try to speak best. So once again I want to ask Sekhon some questions regarding this, but I request him, please don't smile when you have to answer. First of all, we will ask him about the weather. Yes Sekhon, what about the weather? Cool, just cool. He is replying that he is replying in just one word answer, like multiple choice questions. How is weather? Cool. What are you feeling?
Good.
Very good. He is also the professor of English. he has traveled to many countries like Russia and
Almaty,
Althania, Belarus. He had traveled to many countries due to his skill of English. He traveled because his passport got stamped when he interviewed himself in front of the representatives of that country. They took his interview and they stamp on his passport that you are very good in English. He show his 8th class certificate that I am the professor. So okay guys, this was our first vlog, and we will try to make vlogs continuously, because I am again saying that I don't know how to speak fluent English, but I know little bit English. That's why I cannot speak properly. So please forgive me. I say sorry in advance. Now I have to cut the sorghum and feed our cattle. Otherwise my father will come, and he started abusing me from far away, like from 1 kilometer. If my father had seen me like doing this all vlog type, then he will start me abusing from 1 kilometer far, so we can hear him properly. So guys, we are stopping this ending this vlog here. So hope so that this vlog will be funny and it will entertain you slight. We will talk you later in the next vlog tomorrow. This is our first vlog, kindly share it. We are basically from Punjab and our village is Nagari and district is Patiala. Contact number I cannot expose here because people will abuse me, people will send me dirty messages about my English. Now last question about Sekhon. Sekhon, what is the mystery of your mustaches? How you grown this mustaches so fast?
Naturally.
He can speak just one word, not more than this. Naturally. Can you tell me the spelling of naturally?
No.
No, he don't know spelling. He can just say naturally. Okay. Sekhon, what about the weather in evening, what will you do if the weather remains same till evening?
Evening, chilling.
Chilling. Chilling with what? You can understand. What is this? What is this?
Alcohol.
Alcohol. You can say it drink.
Yeah.
So he often like to drink when the mausam is so awesome, the weather is so awesome. So he will often like to drink in that kind of mausam. Where will you have to drink? At home or at field or at theka? Theka means you can understand. Theka means a liquor
Wine
shop. Wine shop. Yeah. He knows single thing. Wine shop. This is the two words. Wine shop. This is the longest line he can speak. The wine shop. Okay, guys. Meet you
Bye bye.
tomorrow. Bye bye. What do you want to say to our audience? ਕੀ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਂਗੇ ਨਾ?
ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰੋ ਸਾਡਾ ਵਧੀਆ
Speak in English.
ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਆਪਾਂ
ਟੁੱਟੀ ਭੱਜੀ
ਬਸ ਤੂੰ ਕਹਿ ਦੇ ਆਪ ਤਾਂ
No, speak. He will, guys, I am not joking. He is the professor. He has joined as a professor after clearing his 8th standard. He has a lots of problems saying S. His name is Sandeep Singh Sekho, but he cannot pronounce it well. He says Sandeep Singh Sekho. He's told by he's very much trolled by his pronunciation of S word. So kindly we have to end the vlog. Say something to end
Please
this.
subscribe channel and like, comment, share, support everything. ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਬੋਲ ਰਹੇ ਤੇ
So guys, you can watch here from here we cut the sorghum and after that we load it in the hydraulic trolley. And the main theme for this video is not only a vlogging or an entertainment. The main theme is about the struggle of a farmer. Even after doing so much hard work, we are not getting the proper value of our yield, our crops or our milk production. That's why the youth of villages is running abroad. This is the main reason, because we know that each and every person cannot be hired by government for government jobs, or each and every person cannot even get private jobs, because the study level in villages is not too high, not due to time but due to some responsibilities given by parents. That's why we have to leave our study and we have to help them in the farming of in dairy farming or in agriculture. But day by day we indulge ourselves in this work so much that we forget how to study. What is the study? What is the motive of study? I think English is not an education, it's an language. So it must take some time for a new person to learn how to speak in English. I will do many mistakes, but slowly I will improve my vocabulary, and after that one day I will speak fluent English. But at that time I have grown with the white beard and white mustaches and my hair is totally clear like my palm. So hope so you people have enjoyed the vlog. So meet you soon in the next vlog. Now I will say Mr. Sekho, the heavy driver to start the tractor please, and let's go home, because after it I have to go for my job also. And the timing for my job is from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. Goodbye. These are the too much spellings he has told you, but he don't know what he has said, but he has spoken in a single line. It is a huge confidence for him. So guys, meet you tomorrow. Meet you tomorrow if we will alive in this world. So guys, take care and share it as much as you can. Subscribe our channel and do comments. Meet you soon. Bye.